Good morning, my loves. Miss Rizzo here, and we are going to talk more about verbs, and we are going to look at the principal parts more of verbs further in depth. Page 24 in our grammar packet. Same examples as yesterday, love and drive, regular and irregular. And what we're going to do today is we are going to write the verb that is asked for in each of the following sentences. P is for past. PP is for past participle. So that is going to determine how you conjugate the verb in the sentence. You with me? We will do 1 through 5 together. You can see the numbers. You will do 6 through 10, 11, 12 on your own. Okay, so here we go. Number 1 says the news of the assassination blank around the world within minutes of its occurrence. And the PP tells us we're gonna do the past participle of broadcast. Now broadcast is tricky because either is correct, just how it is, or with the ED form. Okay, so for our purposes, we are going to use the ED form, and we're going to say the news of the assassination had broadcasted around the world within minutes of its occurrence. If we had broadcast and B, then we could have said had been broadcast, and that would make sense also. But since there's no B there, then that's why we're doing it this way. Number 2 says Allison blank obsessed with losing weight in the past few months. And again, we have the past participle of become. Past participle is has, have, or had. And then so first, today I become, yesterday I became. What is the past participle of become? Do you know? It's become. It's become, became, become. So Allison has become obsessed. Okay? You could use has or had, depending on if you want to talk about it being in the present or in the past. Since this is over the past few months and it hasn't necessarily ended yet, we're not going to say that it's over and done with had. Okay? Number 3, the baby blank in the middle of the night. Past tense of cry. What did the baby do? The baby cried. Number 4, the teller was found after the robbery with his hands blank. Past tense of bind. Is it binded? No, it's not binded. It's bound. Number 5, Patricia blank the perfect dress for her school's spring formal. We're looking for the past participle of choose, which we know from yesterday is today I choose, yesterday I chose. Patricia has chosen. Perfect. You guys are so smart. Okay, so number 6, the fire blank out of control very quickly. Past tense of burn. So the fire burned. Number 7, he blanked the metal bar with his bare hands. Past tense of bend. So he bent. The principal blank the unruly student to come to his office after school. Past participle of instruct has or had. The aggressive dog blank the unsuspecting boy on the leg. Past participle of bite has bitten. Number 10, Kristen blank a large pack of indelible markers. Past tense of bought. Number 11, the clock blank along for hours as Tom tossed and turned. Past participle of creep. Had or has. The has or the had is going to depend on whether you are in the present or the past of the tense, and really, I mean, it doesn't really matter right now. Number 12, the child blank behind the heavy brocade curtains. We're looking for the past of hide, so the child hid. My biggest focus for you, ladies and gentlemen, is understanding the difference between the past form of the verb and the past participle form of the verb, okay? The past is just one word. One word, okay? The past participle uses two words, and it may be a different form. So if we have questions, let's make sure we ask. This is Miss Arzo signing off. I hope y'all have a great day.